Welcome to Making Disciples the Jesus Way. I am Piet.
And I am Dexelkie. Together with the facilitators, we will be your guides during this workshop.
When we do the in-house training, the very first day, we go on a walk.
We walk down and up. We walk on the beach, on very steep sand dunes. And if everybody is young and fit enough, we even may walk up and down a mountain.
We do that because our bodies and our brains need to understand what it means to follow.
We are following Jesus, and if we want Him to disciple us, to eventually disciple others exactly the way He did, we need to learn everything about following.
We cannot do this very important exercise physically, but we can do it in our imagination, in our holy and sanctified imagination.
Find a place where you can sit quietly alone. I want you to close your eyes right now where you are, sitting in the presence of the Holy Spirit. Imagine the scenery you saw in the pictures. You are walking behind somebody, step by step. You watch his feet. Where he puts it down, you do the same. When he stops, you do the same. When he continues, you follow. When he carefully puts his foot down on an unstable surface, you carefully put your foot down on that unstable surface. In that way, he walks up the steep sand dune, and you follow. Relax in the presence of God and His Holy Spirit.
This is what we will be doing the next 6 weeks. We will follow Him.
The outcomes of this workshop are as follows. To introduce the way Jesus made disciples as a rabbi within his cultural setting.
To learn how to follow Jesus step by step like the disciples as we read through the Gospel of Matthew up to chapter 10.
To be able to use the Gospel of Matthew as a disciple-making tool in helping others to follow Jesus as disciples.
This workshop will continue for 6 to 8 weeks. This is the first of 3 workshops. If you do all the assignments and show that you are able to put what you learn into practice, you will receive a certificate of attendance and will be able to continue to the next workshop.
The most important is not the certificate.
The most important is to follow Jesus step by step.
May the Lord bless you.